Happy Campers 101, make your next camping trip a success with these tips. Camping can be both the best time you ever have, or the worst. The difference can be the weather that happens while you camp, or how well prepared you are for it. To learn how to be as prepared as you can for camping, read on into the following paragraphs. Always take a fully stocked first aid kit when you venture out on a camping trip. You can put together your own kit with bandages, gauze pads, tweezers, scissors, antibacteria cream and antiseptic wipes in a sturdy container. You can also buy one of the many excellent ready-made kits to save time. Camping in the wilderness alone is one of the most dangerous things that you can do. It is essential that you always bring at least one friend with you unless you are incredibly knowledgeable about the wilderness. Additionally, bringing several friends with multiple tents is the ideal situation, but this is not always possible. Cross-contamination is not an issue that only affects people that cook at home. When you are cooking outdoors, you still have to worry about not using the same cutting board to cut meat that you do to cut any other foods. If you only have one board, use both sides. Many people who are not very experienced with camping start out by doing day trips. This can be a great way to adjust to nature without the dangers associated with staying in the woods all night. The best way to do is to find a simple hotel near the campground, but only for sleeping purposes. Make sure you have everything you need for a camping trip. Even letting one particular item slip your mind can devastate your trip. Lists help people know what they need before they go. Be sure your list includes the tent and sleeping bags, as well as food items and personal hygiene items. If camping with children, place each set of their clothing in a zippered plastic bag or a tied plastic grocery bag. By sorting and packing their clothes in this manner, each morning your child can grab a package and have an entire outfit of clothing for the day. When it is time to go to bed at night, each child can stuff the soiled clothing back into the plastic bag and place it back into their suitcase and not soil unworn clothing. Weather can ruin a camping trip, but there is little you can do about it. Poor planning can also ruin your camping trip, but there is a great deal that you can do about that. Keep in mind all that you have read in this video so that you can be prepared for your next trip. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.